Are we all ready then? Let's start with our first word game. Do you know which one of these makes this sound? Let's read it together. Buzz, buzz. Which picture makes a sound that goes buzz, buzz? Yes, a bee goes buzz, buzz. How about you? Can you go buzz, buzz? Now, how about this sound? Do you know what this says? It says pop, 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 pop. What do you think goes pop, 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 pop? Bubbles, very good. Can you go pop, 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 pop? Now what's this sound? Let's say it together. Clop, clop, clop. What goes clop, clop, clop? You're right, a horse. Can you go clop, clop, clop like a horse's hooves? Well done. All right, Mr. Brown, let's read together about all those wonderful things you can do. Shall we? He can go like a bee. Buzz, buzz. He can go like bubbles. Pop, 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 pop. He can go like horse feet. Clop, clop, clop. Very good. Well, wasn't that fun learning how to read? Mr. Brown can do it, and now you can too. Click on the next video if you want to play some more reading games with us. See you soon!